Hi YouTube, welcome back to Tom's Edition channel. Today I'm going to do a product review for you from the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Sulfate Free Moisture and Shine Shampoo. Now this product is very thick. I'm just going to show you. That's how it looks. So a little really goes a long way. Now this product proves to be very moisturizing, and I must agree, once I use this product it really gets my hair really moisturized. The shine is unbelievable, and also it smells really good. I can't quite put a smell on it, but it's really good. And a bonus, sulfate free. Now onto the bad stuff. It's a little too oily because it has an argan oil. I think the manufacturers probably did a bit too much in the amount of oil they put in it, but apart from that, that's okay. But one of my biggest concern is it does not lather. Okay, the first time I used this product was the week after my relaxer. So before using it, I would have clarified my hair with the ORS Creamy Aloe shampoo, and once I used this product it lathered. It was nice, soft, smelling good. So the following week, which was the week 2, week 3 and week 4, when I didn't need to clarify and I would just use the shampoo right after my pre-poo, it was not lathering, and I was confused and wondering, why is this not lathering? So by week 5, when I was 5 weeks post and I did a clarifying shampoo and followed up with this, I realized, whoa, it's lathering again. So I've come to the conclusion that unless my hair is squeaky clean, this product really does not lather. So that's just one of the things I don't really like, but there is something that I can actually do to get it to lather. So I'm actually going to show you the practical version of me using the shampoo of what I do to get it lathered. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. Hi guys, welcome back. Now I'm going to show you the practical version of what I think about this shampoo. Now right now I have pre-pooed my hair with extra virgin olive oil mixed with extra virgin coconut oil on my scalp, and on the ends of my hair I've used the Creme of Nature Intensive Conditioning Treatment, of which I was under the heat cap for about 30 minutes. Now I've washed that out. I'm just going to show you how my hair looks. So now I'm going to show you how I use this shampoo and how I would have mentioned to you earlier that it does not lather. But I'll show you what I do that gets my hair lathered. So this is the consistency of it. You can see the thickness. I'm just going to show you how I apply it in my hair. Okay, I'll apply a bit more because I realize it's really not lathering. I always focus on my scalp and not the ends of my hair because the shampoo will eventually run on the ends of my hair. Can you see that it's really not lathering? This is the only thing about this shampoo I don't like. So now I'm just going to show you what I do to get it to lather. I'm just going to dip my hair in the shower. Can you see the lather now? Just going to apply a little bit more. just want to rinse this out. That's the way that I get my hair lathered with the shampoos, but apart from that, the shampoo is a really wonderful shampoo. Now I'm going to show you how I use this shampoo, the Creme Argan Oil Shampoo, on my clarifying days. This is the shampoo that I use on my clarifying days. Right now my hair has been pre-cooled with grapeseed oil under my heat cap for about 45 minutes. So I've rinsed that out with some nice warm water, and now I'm just going to show you how this product lathers after using this product. Let's go. I'm just going to show you the back section. Now, let's apply this shampoo. Can you see the difference right away? The lathering. There's no need to dip my hair back in. See you guys when I get back in. Till then. I'm back with my final thoughts on the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Moisture and Shine Shampoo. In my opinion, based on what works for me and my hair, I think the pros outweigh the cons just because it's really moisturizing. So I'll give it a 4 stars out of 5 just because it doesn't lather, but as I showed you in the shower just now, that's what I do to get a lather. If anyone has tried this shampoo before and you like it or not, just let me know what your thoughts on it. It retails for $10 here in Barbados, so you can go out and try it. I would definitely recommend you try it, and I would definitely repurchase. But it's not a staple. I'd say I haven't found a staple shampoo, but I would definitely repurchase. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned to Tom's Edition, and I'll see you in my next video.